Riverwalk in West Bridgewater, just coming together as a community and selling some delicious baked goods.
This is just a cut-through street, and this is just such a reward even for the residents to have the road closed and almost looking like it did years ago.
People come in, walk and have picnics in it, but today we shut off the street and it just brings together hundreds of people to, have a good time on the bouncy house over there and grab some good food and listen to some live music. It's an awesome time.
The Bay Circuit Trail is a 230-mile multi-use trail that surrounds Greater Boston. It mimics the 495 belt around Boston, and you can walk it. It was originally proposed as a pedestrian pathway around the city, or you can now mountain bike it and road bike it. But it weaves together pockets of green space throughout the region, and it links this entire network of open space together so that you can explore Eastern Massachusetts. My name's Amber. I'm the Bay Circuit Trail Coordinator for the Appalachian Mountain Club, and I'm here with Jack today.
I'm one of the trail maintainers for the Bay Circuit Trail. I work under Amber, and we try to get along.
We succeed too. My role is to take a holistic approach and view of the Bay Circuit. It's volunteer managed and maintained by hundreds of volunteers who live in 38 of the towns that the trail passes through. There's hundreds of property owners, different organizations that help to manage the trail. And so my role is to communicate with everyone across the 230 miles, try and keep everyone on the same page, and then support the sections of trail that need the most TLC. So I go everywhere.
For our section of the Bay Circuit Trail, we're doing the maintenance and stuff, and we try to incorporate also not just the trail, but the history of the town and, just the vista areas. I've had many hikers compliment this on, even if you're off the trail, they love walking down River Street, seeing the farm, seeing the park. So that's pretty much our goal. It's the enjoyment and the passive recreation of it. You can just take a small section, even if it's an hour or two, to get out. And it's just such a reward that people need to realize, you don't have to jog it, you don't have to bike it, just to stroll down it. And it's so rewarding.
By preserving our open spaces, we're giving people access to green space and land that they can enjoy in any way that they want. And the more people that are enjoying those spaces, the more they'll care about them, and then it will create a positive feedback loop to preserve and protect more open spaces for public health, for our own enjoyment, and for the planet.
We used to have a park day that we don't have anymore, so this kind of takes its place too.
I think being on foot and on bike is the greatest way to get around, and it's the perfect way to connect with your community and your neighbors. And we need to keep building those connections just for our own enjoyment and for our own sake. So get outside.